We're watching right now the incredible rebound of MicroCloud HOLOGRAM. Will this be the good one, Enrique?
Let's see what's going on. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Look at the price action from our previous video. The price has gone up more than 40% if we take into account these levels. And the thing is, like, if we go to the daily time frame, the movement was going lower. You can see from this 70 cents area, more or less, the movement has been more than 70% to the downside. So we asked you the question, do you think this is going up or down from this exact point that we were recording in the previous video? The answers were kind of more pessimistic than in our previous videos, but it went up plus 25% today. But the thing is, as Alvaro mentioned, will this be the good one or will this be as the past that we saw in this chart? You can see right there, movements that went higher, but at the end ended up crashing. What do you think? What are your opinions? Let us know in the comments below, up or down, and if up, for how long, and if down, the same. Let us know. Let's go.
Remember to subscribe to Trading SD to watch more content like this. And I gotta tell you guys, it's kind of surprising the rebound, because if you take a look at the data, the fundamental data, I mean, we're talking about that this last semester, we are talking about like a minus 17 million of net income. I mean, yeah, we're talking about like the worst 6 months ever in this stock, and still right now we are watching an incredible recovery, in the price action. But look at that! Look at what happened before back in August, and this is the worrisome thing. It's like we experienced a similar rebound, incredible uptrend in this time. At that time we were talking about almost 200%. But look at what happened afterwards. It's like it started to go down again, and look at that, minus 73%. So even though the stock is rising right now, we could experience the same thing as before.
Yeah, exactly. We don't know the future as usual. If you have more information that you want to share with us, please let us know in the comments. We always read them and we like to learn with you. Trading HT, honest traders, let's go. And this price action right here, Alvaro commented a little bit about it. It's very interesting. Let's see some more insight that we have from this past price action right here. I think it's interesting during 2024 in June. Let me draw the vertical line so you know the level that I'm talking about. These levels right here being holded, very well, but at the end of the day, they broke out of it. The price got to the lower side, and the interesting factor is like the level got reached again 2 times, as you can see right here, and both times got rejected. The first time didn't even reach this area, and the second one was almost a perfect retest, those that we like to call like book technical analysis examples right there. And right now these levels hasn't been acting, as clear. Yeah, let me draw it so you can see, as clear resistance areas as they may have done in other circumstances. Because you can see like this last green candle has been very strong. So the breakout for now has been very clear. We have to wait and see how the market closes today, and if this movement continues, and then we will have this level also in the higher part between others, and in the lower side we could have this one. So in our opinion, this technical side is very interesting. You can see the past price action and try to kind of forecast the future, but we want to know your opinions about it. What do you think about these levels? Do you have the same in mind? Do you have different ones? Let us know in the comments below so we can all learn together.
Yeah, another crazy thing that we have right here, the next resistance level, 0.41. It could reach that price, based on past price action. And the next one, which I think is gonna be like really difficult, 0.76, is like we're talking about the August, yeah, when it was trading at that time back in August, and then back in July as well. But the thing, we have another thing that that it's like, for me, it's very worrisome for those who are investors of this stock. Remember that, guys, MicroCloud HOLOGRAM, in order to remain on the Nasdaq exchange, they had to trade above $1. And right now they are trading at 0.35, which is way lower, it's way far away to where the price should be.
Yeah, the thing is, like, in order to reach that $1 area and stay above that, the price should break these levels right here that we mentioned. Obviously, there could be more levels between. This is not like the exact technical analysis right there. This is just what we can see from this past price action. And you can see like the level here in 0.76 has been very strong, as we commented right there. You can see this supports area right here and then the resistances. And from there, how do you see that could go, guys? First of all, do you think the level of 41 cents will be broken out? Yes or no? And if you think that, what do you think the resistance is around these levels between 40 cents and 1.50, for example, could be? Do you think that area would be reachable and the price will stay around those levels? Or do you think like the bears will enter with even more strength, as we saw in past price action, as it happened right here during August 2024 or during earlier this year? As you can see, the price was trading above 1.50. I'm talking about May 2024. The price did even reach this higher point right here of 3.77, but from there it got very, very strongly rejected, and once that level of 1.50 was lost, the price started to plummet below $1, and they didn't reach that higher part again. So how do you see this situation? Do you think this will be repeated again? Could we see the same patterns, or do you think the fundamentals, or maybe the hype around this stock, or the ideas that investors have changed or not? Let us know in the comments, and also the reasons behind it, so we can check that sources or information and learn with you.
Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one, and remember to subscribe.
Let's go check our videos right here, Trading HD Podcast. We are very happy to have you with us. 1,800 subscribers, even more. Happy family, Trading HD. Let's go, honest traders.